Another day in the wild, a casual walk with doggy dog. So out we go for a walk into fresh nature. Still misty, but don't need heavy raincoat. There we are. So very different from watching life in the city. In nature, things are what they are. Nothing pretends to be anything. We say it's a moody weather, but the weather isn't moody. It's just you who gets moody when you don't like the weather, right? The sun doesn't shine because it wants to be happy and needs to be happy and loved. It just does its thing. When the skies are clouded over, the sun isn't crying either. The clouds too, they're not enemies to the sun. They're just doing their thing, accumulating humidity, pouring it back in, and that's all there is to it. It is what it is, right? And there's a certain peace in all of that. Not trying to be anything else than what is.